What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to your daily Ethereum update. We'll talk about Ethereum a little bit. Yesterday we were very strong actually, so we'll talk about that and just in general what you can expect in the upcoming days, perhaps even the upcoming weeks, but that's always a little bit harder of course. So let's get right into it. We'll cover the fundamentals, we'll cover the technicals. To start off with the technicals, I think technically we're very bullish. You can see that we definitely started an uptrend from this point here, Monday the 19th of December. Had a big move obviously yesterday. This was an institutional move, all right? For everybody that missed the video yesterday, this was some with institutional I mean like either like market makers, big funds. Could also be whales, that's true, but it was a lot of volume coming in all at once, to be honest. And right now, I mean, the volume has also since then dropped down a little bit, but you can see that for example here, volume went from 3.87 to 4.4 billion dollars pretty soon. So multiple hundreds of dollars was pumped in. Did get us a bullish breakout, and we also confirmed that bullish breakout. So technically we're very bullish. We're now at this resistance level between 1270 and 1250, which is a strong resistance level. You're not going to easily break through that. You would need either a confirmed and sustained uptrend, which is what we're trying to do now, but it's not confirmed yet for this breakout, I'd say, even though we are in an uptrend. Or you need some sort of a fundamental catalyst, and well, we got plenty of those. All right, so right now, just purely technically, I think it's more likely that we'll drop down to the level we broke above, which is between 1235 and let's say 1230. And as long as we're above that, we're bullish. And I expect us to stay on top of that, to be honest. I think the fundamentals point that way. I think the technicals point that way too with the uptrend we have. Now, breaking above 1270 and 1260 and 1250, that entire level, it's a little bit harder. I think we can do that, but there are multiple ways in which we could. First of all, it could be a technical move. In that case, it's just waiting until we break above, let's say, I'd say breaking above 1260 is already enough. The moment we do that, just purely technically, we're going up to our next resistance level, which is between 1295 and 1300. All right, but that's a technical move. It's most of the times that's caused by something fundamental. And we got two ways in which I think at least that could happen. The first one has to do with the dollar strength index, which is negatively correlated with Ethereum. So if this actually drops down, if this drops down to 103.5 and breaks through that so that we actually confirm the downtrend with this, then I think we can do this, all right? But if that doesn't happen, if the dollar strength index remains stable, if we kind of remain in this consolidation, which we unfortunately formed between 103.5 and 105 kind of. If we stay in that, then I have another fundamental catalyst that could happen, or it's going to happen, I think at least. And that is, if you take a look at the economic events, yes, it's the inflation rate for the US, which most of you know that makes the market move a lot. And with the inflation dropping down, I think this is again going to be a bullish outcome. Whether it's lower than expected or not, a dropping inflation is still bullish, I'd say. So with one of those two things, I think we can break out. I think just a pure technical breakout so that nothing else happens and that the price just goes over 1260, like we talked about in the first scenario. I think that's a little bit unlikely, especially in this bear market. But as you all heard, we got plenty of bullish fundamentals. So that's I guess that's my take on Ethereum and what I think is going to happen in the upcoming. I mean, this is probably not going to happen this week. It's probably early next week if it's happening by the dollar strength index, and otherwise the 12th. But you must know that, but it's still coming, I think, at least. So that's my take on Ethereum for today. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, take care. Have a great day and bye.